In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Axiom Trade, and this is an updated guide for 2025 because ever since I've made the last one, there's been a bunch of different updates to the platform, and I would like to show you these right now. So, how to use Axiom. Now, the first thing you have to do is, of course, create an Axiom account. If you don't have one yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. And in case you don't know, of course, Axiom is basically a meme coin trading platform with a bunch of different features that are usually paid on different platforms and different services. However, on here you can find them completely for free. For example, like the wallet trackers, Twitter trackers, etc. So let's head into it. Now, the first thing you have on Axiom is the Discover tab, where you can see the new DEX screener and trending coins over here. And of course, you can buy these if you want to. However, this is not where you'll be spending the most of your time. The most of your time is going to be spent at the polls part, which is this one over here. And over here, you've got three different types of coins. So you have new pairs, which are the new coins coming out, as you can see 1 second ago, 6 seconds, 7, 13. So they're getting added pretty much every few seconds over here when people create them. The final stretches are the coins that are basically about to be migrated. And then you have the migrated over here, which are the coins that have migrated. Now, over here, the best feature, which Axiom actually does offer, are these filters. So you can click on filters over here, and you can then set filters for new pairs, final stretch, and for migrated coins. And as you can see, it offers a wide variety. So you can set protocols, which ones you want it to show. You can basically set different keywords to exclude or to search by. You can set the B curve percentage, and then the age of the coins, the top 10% holders, so the minimums and maximums, and then the dev holding percentages, sniper percentages, insiders percentages, as well as bundle percentages, and then the number of holders, pro traders, and dev migrations. You also can set different metrics such as minimum and maximum liquidity, and then volume, market cap, etc. So over here you can see you can pretty much set anything you would like a coin to filter by. Now you also have the socials, and inside the socials you can basically set the Twitter reuses, and then you can set whether the coin has Twitter, website, Telegram, or at least one social added. Now, you can do this for new pairs, final stretches, and the migrated coins, and then basically just use it once you are trading. This is already a great thing, of course, if you want to filter out a few of those scams. Now, of course, 99% of the coins are still going to be scams, so be very careful. However, it's going to, of course, help you filter out some of them, if, of course, nothing else is possible. Now, that is basically the main thing you have to know over here in the pulse meter. And then if we hop into a coin, so for example, just this John Wick coin, which is over here, you can see the interface is actually quite smooth. You can see the graphs over here, and then you can basically just move the graph around. You can set it if you want the candles or if you want any other basically type of graph. And then you can as well set your little graph over here. If you want it to be a second, 5 seconds, you can set it up to 30 minutes and 1 hour over here. So this is actually very handy. As you can see, you can put it full screen. You can even take a snapshot and change some chart settings. Basically, anything can be done, okay? If you've ever used like TradingView or something like that, it's quite similar. And of course, as you can see, you can basically use a lot of things you can use in TradingView, because over here it says that they support charts by TradingView. So yeah, that's an amazing part of this for sure. Now, over here at the bottom, you can see trades, positions, orders, etc. So you can see current trades basically going on, and you can see different positions. So if you have any positions over here, they're going to show. And then you can see orders going on. You can see the holders, so the top holders, there's 21 right now. You can see top traders, and then the dev tokens in case there's any. Now, on the right, you can just buy and sell different coins. As you can see, you can buy them via market, limit, or basically with some advanced features, and sell them the exact same way over here. And what you may have seen is that you can either type in the amount or just basically click over here for basically quick fills. So this over here, you can just click that and just change this if you want to, for example, to like 14, and then you do the check mark. There we go. You can just quickly basically switch between how much you type in the amount without actually having to type. You can just click. Over here, you can also enable advanced trading strategy if you want to. You can click on add, and then you have take profit, you have stop loss, you have dev sell and migrations. So this is also available on here. And then you can just buy and sell via these buttons. Here you can also see different token info and then the presets, so you can actually change the presets you want to go ahead and buy with. So you can set the slippages, priority and bribe fees down here at the bottom left. Click on preset and you can change slippage, priority and bribe for buy and sell settings, and you have the option to essentially set 3 presets on here. You can also set the MEV reduction if you want to and put it in RPC in case you are using that. So this is kind of the basic functionality, and this one over here is also worth mentioning. It's called Instant Trade. So you can just basically trade instantly without having to press over here. You just have to hold down your spacebar key, and then you want to press these buttons over here for quick buying and selling of a specific coin. Now, that's basically how Pulse works. However, this is not all. When you want to start trading, and if you're wondering how to actually start depositing money on here, you will go to deposit top right over here. You can click on deposit, and then here's your address. This is your Axiom address. Go into any of your wallets where you're holding some Solana and send it to this address over here. But if you don't have any Solana, you can just buy through Coinbase by clicking buy over here. You want to type in how much you'd like to buy, click on buy, and then it will direct you to Coinbase where you can instantly buy Solana and get it onto your Axiom wallet. So these are basically the main things over here. And then one of the best features are the trackers. So if I go to trackers, you can see you now have a wallet manager, which is basically a wallet tracker where you can add in wallets over here and then see live trades in real time, as well as the Twitter tracker, which of course has been going viral for the past few months. And this is one of the best methods to actually find those great coins. So you can just see and customize your feed. You can add Twitter handles in here. You can see the top subscriptions via boosts and subscribers. And of course, you can just set them as basically how you would like them to be. Now, if I go to any other page, I can just pull this up. The Twitter tracker is now here. I'm gonna pin it to my screen, and then it will forever be here, of course, until you exit it or move it away. So this is very, very convenient. What Axiom also offers is the trading of perpetuals. So as you can see, when I click on perpetuals, you can then just trade different perpetuals. You can see they have a lot of different coins and tokens on here, which you can also trade. But for this, you will need USDC and not Solana, and you can just go to deposit and then convert. And if you're holding some Solana, you can convert that into USDC right on here. Now, that's the main part. They also have some yield options, so in case you are interested in earning passive income, you can use this as well, in case that's what you're into. They have your portfolio, so you can see how your portfolio looks like. You can see basically your spot, your wallets, and then you can see your different so your main wallet, and then things like that. You can create new wallets, import them, etc. And of course, you have the awards page where you can basically invite different users to the platform, okay? So, as I said, of course, this is basically the part where you get your referral code, and then you can get some bonuses, and your referrals can get bonuses as well for inviting people onto the platform. As I said, my code is down below. You can use that if you want to sign up for a 10% discount on all trading fees. And of course, everybody you invite will get that as well. Now, over here, you can, as I said, create new wallets or do whatever you want, but this mode over here is actually what's really powerful. So it's called the turbo mode, and if you click on activate turbo mode, you can read all about it. Basically, this will make your transactions much, much faster. It's a new update that they were basically, they just put onto Axiom over here. And if you enable this, your bribe and priority fees will be adjusted automatically, and then your transactions will go through quicker, which is important for the expert traders. Now, that is basically it. And then, of course, what you want to know over here, you have these options to favorite, and then you have your notifications over here as well. So you can see this is your watch list, your basically favorite tokens. And on the right, top right, you can see your feature update. So the recent update to the platform, you can scroll through all of these over here. They update this regularly. It's actually one of the most updated and up-to-date platforms with all of the advanced features you could possibly want. They even have a P&L tracker, so profit and loss tracker, which you can put over here onto your screen. You can pin it anywhere and just see how you're doing on a given day. Now, over here on the right, you can also see account and security, where you can see your recovery key, change your language, manage your wallets. You can earn rewards over here, basically the same as this part over here, and as well as enable yield in case you wanna, and then of course log out of your account if that's what you want to do. Now, that's pretty much what it is. So that's Axiom. As I said, this is how to use it. I think I've shown you everything. There's likely some small features in there as well that I haven't mentioned, but these are basically the main ones. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, you can just go down below and then create your account using my code. This would help me out as well, and then you can also subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I'll catch you on in the next video.